In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or turn on the YouTube comments for a specific YouTube video or for all of them. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And if you want to disable or enable that, I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first of all, we head over to the YouTube studio. If you're unsure about how we can do that, you just open up youtube.com, and when you do, on the profile icon, click on that, click on the YouTube studio, and then you head over to this section. Click on the content and search for that particular video for which you want to turn on the comments or enable the comments. Click on that and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Let me just make it full screen. Click on show more if you see that option, and you head over to this specific section which says comments and ratings. So if it is turned off, all you need to do is just click on this and click on turn on. And after that, you save it. And you can also set the moderation terms. For example, you want to hide potentially inappropriate comments or strict hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, or you can hold them all. You can make this settings that any subscribers or members only can contact or post the comments and all the other settings. So you save that, and that's how you do it for a single video. But if you want for all of them, here's how you can do it. But just remember that this setting is for all the new uploads. So what we do is from the YouTube studio, we click on the settings. We click on the uploads default button and click on the advanced settings and scroll down, and you turn on or turn off the comments for all the future videos, and you set the moderation level as well. And save after that. And this is for all the future videos. But if you have all of the videos already published and you want to edit the setting for that in one go, you can do that as well. What you do is just select the video, and if you want to select all, because it will select only the videos on the single page, so click on select all, and after that you click on edit and you click on comments, and basically whatever you do for this editing, it will be done for all. And let's say I just want the subscribers and members to comment. Minimum subscription time is 1 day or 1 hour, or basically any duration. If you want only the subscribers to message, you click on update videos. I understand the implication of this action. Click on update. It might take some time depending on the videos you have, because this is a bulk update. And after that, all of the settings are successfully updated, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.